as the center of his successful colony. Martin de Leon established Victoria with settlers from Mexico. Power and Hewitson, McMullen and McGloin each brought Mexican and Irish settlers. Sterling Robertson recruited settlers from the United States. The population of Texas rose from 7,000 in 1821 to 30,000 people in the 1830s. Stephen Austin remained by far the most successful impresario. Between 1821 and 1830, he established other colonies and brought over 1,500 families to Texas. But his success was not just in numbers and acres of land. His example of leadership helped the colonies prosper, and he became the spokesman for all impresario groups. Meanwhile, leadership in Mexico became concerned about the colonies to the north. Anglo-American settlement had been successful beyond their wildest dreams. In fact, so many settlers from the United States had come to Texas that Mexican leaders began to worry that they could not control the flood of American influence. By 1830, cultural and political differences were bringing threats of mistrust and revolution.